Good day, everyone. I'm Prince F. Sarita, and here with me are my groupmates, Jomal J. Ayate, Gerald C. Rufido, and Errol James Ubilia. We are Group 3 ElectriCrafters. In Project 5, we will explore how to control an RGB LED using an Arduino board. RGB LEDs are unique because they can produce a wide range of colors by varying the intensity of the red, green, and blue components. We will demonstrate how to change the LED's color randomly using Arduino code. For this project, we will be using the following components: DF Arduino board, prototyping shield, M2M jumper cables, 220R resistors, 5mm RGB LED. So, this is the process of our Project 5. Two of us focus on assembling while the other two handle the coding. After a brief period, we successfully complete both the coding and assembling, making the Arduino Project 5 functional. Now, let's go into the source code. In red pin 9, in green pin 10, in blue pin 11. This line declares three variables: red pin, green pin, and blue pin, and assign them the values 9, 10, and 11 respectively. These variables represent the digital pins to switch the red and green and blue components of an RGB LED are connected. Void setup. This is the setup function which runs once when the Arduino starts inside it. Pin mode: red pin output. Pin mode: green pin output. Pin mode: blue pin output. This line configures the red pin, green pin, and blue pin as output pins. This tells the Arduino that this pin will be used to send signal to control the RGB LED's color. Void loop. This is the loop function which runs repeatedly as long as the Arduino is powered on. In this function, in color RGB, there are three randoms which have the value of 0 to 55. This line calls the color RGB function with the three arguments, each generate randomly within the range of 0 to 255. This value represents the intensity of the red, green, and blue components of the RGB LEDs, essentially creating a random color. Delay 1000. After setting the random color, there's a 1000 milliseconds delay before the next color changed. Void color RGB. This is a custom function we've defined. It takes three arguments: red, green, and blue, which represent the intensity of the red, green, and blue components of the RGB LED inside it. Analog write. This line sets the intensity of the red component by using analog write function on the red pin. The constraint function ensures that the red value is within the valid range of 0 to 255. Analog write. Similarly, this line sets the intensity of the green components on the green pin, also constraining the value of the valid range. Analog write. This is the line sets the intensity of the blue component on the blue pin, again ensuring it stays within the valid range. So, this is the code continuously change the color of the RGB LED by randomly generating intensities for its red, green, and blue components. This creates a dramatic and ever-changing light show with a new color every second. So that's all. Thank you for watching and see you in the next project.